subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Infinix has launched two new affordable gaming-centric phones in India called Infinix Note 11 and Note 11s. Among these two, the Infinix Note 11s is the higher variant with premium-looking design. Talking about the specifications, the Infinix Note 11s features a tall 6.95-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate support. The phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G96 processor paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU, and it packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be expanded up to 3GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is also expandable up to 2TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Infinix Note 11s supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 50MP main camera with f1.6 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W fast charging, and it runs on Android 11 with XOS 10 skin on top. For gaming, the company has added 3D 6-layer graphene heat dissipation system to avoid overheating, and it has Darling 2.0 feature for better performance. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with detailed surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 173.06 by 78.37 by 8.7mm. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Infinix Note 11s has been priced in India for 6GB plus 64GB storage variant at 12,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 14,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from December 20th in Haze Green, Mithril Grey, and Symphony Cyan color options. So what do you guys think of this Infinix Note 11s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.